Okay, a faithful follower of my channel asked me just now, does draw cutting work with a pistol grip? Well, the answer is yes. It's not a trick. What you want to do is stand, instead of facing the bench like that, stand to the side. Face this way. Put your hip into the side of the bench, for leverage. It gives you more control. And it also, I lock this swivel down, by the way. The screw is downward. By putting your hip into the bench and keeping the cutting to your right, if you're a righty, it allows you to get a lot of control of what you're doing. I'm going to show how to draw cut with a pistol grip over very textured glass. And you can see, again, the leverage you get from drawing gets you through the toughest or bumpiest or potholes and all that, cobblestones, gets you through all of that. You try to push this, just the nature of the angle of your wheel and direction, you're going to be missing, skipping, jump. I won't even attempt it on this very textured glass. Again, it's about draw cutting and the leverage. And I could clearly see what I'm cutting, clearly, by pulling this way. So if you're going to cut from templates, you can draw cut, okay? Or templates, or you're going to draw on your glass, mark your glass. Either way. But yes, you can draw cut with a pistol grip and a pencil, type cutter. All of them you can draw cut. It's a much better way to get through the rough spots, the potholes, the cobblestones, what have you. Please share the video. If you know somebody who push cuts, share the video. Thanks for watching.